There's the start of that Goodman right there. If you could hear it, it's on. Oh, it's like I got a shoe. Up here. I think we've already gone. You filmed these? I think we have. Remember, we've already filmed these. Yeah. Alright, I don't think anything's running up there, so we're gonna skip that bunch and go over to these 4 that are on. Here. Something right there. A Nordine. Two-ton. God, nothing over there, no need to film. What's over there? Ooh, look at that. HVAC Heaven. Up there. 2 Goodmans. One's running. At 29% power left. Oh, I just wanted to show you guys this. Not actually sure what it is. No tag on it. It kind of looks like it's a ream. Go up here. I'm gonna get to these really fast. Good carrier both on. I'm hot too.
Yeah.
My GoPro.
Yeah. Like we hang a left and start making that way.
Okay. Alright, well we're going back now. If I see any HVACs, film them. There's a good many carriers there. Because that unit, that good minute sounds like a where do we park?